Going broke is a habit. Imagine for a moment that going broke is not just a series of unfortunate events, but a deeply ingrained habit. This might sound controversial, but let's delve deeper into the law of rhythm from the Kybalion and see how it applies to our financial lives. The law of rhythm, as stated in the Kybalion, asserts that everything flows in and out, rises and falls, and moves according to a rhythm. This principle suggests that cycles are a natural part of life, governing everything from the tides and seasons to our personal fortunes and misfortunes. Understanding this law can help us recognize patterns and rhythms in our own lives, including our financial habits. Everything in life has its own cycle or rhythm. Consider a cigarette addict who has specific times and cues that trigger their craving. Similarly, many of us have grown up in environments where worrying about money was the norm. This constant state of financial concern has become our normal, the comfort of worry. Because we are so accustomed to worrying about money, not worrying about it feels abnormal. Even when we manage to earn a bit more, we often find ways to dissipate that extra income, returning to our familiar state of worry. Take, for example, someone living in a low-rental neighborhood who is constantly worried about making rent each month. If they get a promotion or a better-paying job, their first instinct is often to move to a more expensive neighborhood, raising their cost of living. Despite their increased income, their proportionate worry about money remains unchanged. The habit of financial concern persists, the addiction to worry. This constant worry about money is an addiction, a habitual thought pattern that keeps us stuck in a cycle of financial instability. The worry itself is the addiction. Breaking the habit. To break this cycle, one must actively tackle the habits that keep them in a broke state. This involves recognizing these patterns and making conscious efforts to change them. It may require developing new financial habits, setting realistic budgets, and perhaps most importantly, changing our mindset about money. By understanding and applying the law of rhythm to our financial lives, we can begin to break free from the habit of going broke and move towards a more stable and prosperous future.